Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to quickly fix audio or sound issues on your Windows 10 PC. Whether your speakers aren't working or you're hearing no sound at all, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Let's get started. Step 1. Check the volume icon. Go to the sound icon in the taskbar. Make sure the volume is turned up and not muted. If the volume bar is all the way to the left, it means it's muted, adjusted to the right. While this might seem basic, it's a good place to start. Step 2. Use Windows Troubleshooter. Right-click the sound icon. Click on Troubleshoot Sound Problems. Follow the on-screen instructions. Windows will try to detect and fix the issue automatically. If the troubleshooter doesn't solve the issue, continue to the next step. Step 3. Update audio drivers via Device Manager. Open the search bar and type Device Manager. Click on Device Manager from the search results. In Device Manager, find and expand sound, video, and game controllers. Right-click on High Definition Audio Device and select Properties. Under the Driver tab, click Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for driver software. Then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Choose High Definition Audio Device and click Next. Let Windows finish installing the driver, then restart your PC and check your sound. Step 4. Reinstall the audio driver if Update didn't work. In Device Manager, right-click High Definition Audio Device again. This time, select Uninstall Device. Confirm the uninstall. Restart your PC. Windows will automatically reinstall the correct drivers. Conclusion. These steps should help resolve most audio issues on Windows 10. If your sound is still not working, there might be a hardware issue or you may need manufacturer-specific drivers. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.